Hi, this is Evelyn
and Andrew
on Eats. Welcome to Eats Season 5, Episode 2.
In this episode, we will be doing a blind baking challenge, and we will be given a recipe that has been made as confusing as possible. We will try and make said recipe. Let's get started.
Okay, well, I'm going first, so is this recipe?
Yep.
Okay. Okie dokes.
Okay, recipe for something. Sounds delicious. Oh my goodness, Joel, what did you do to me? It says butter softened, either 1 cup of milk or no milk, 0 to 3 eggs, maybe some vanilla extract, a combined total of 3/4 cup of any kind of sugar. You might need some baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a medium amount of flour, either 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice or 1/4 cup of orange zest, 0 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay.
Mix butter and most of your sugar. Okay. Together until light and fluffy. These are cookies. These are obviously like snickerdoodle cookies or something. If you have any eggs, milk, or vanilla extract, add them next. In a separate bowl, mix all of your flour, salt, and baking powder. Once combined, add to wet ingredients. Let it either refrigerate or come to room temperature for 15 minutes. It is up to you what to do with the lemon juice or orange zest. Preheat oven. Yeah, these are definitely snickerdoodle cookies because you always have to let them chill for a while. Once 15 is up, prepare what you are making to go into the oven. This depends on what you think it is. Once ready, sprinkle the remaining sugar on top. Bake. Okay, well, this is super easy. Cocoa powder, what? Are all of these things actually in it?
Not necessarily.
Can I write on it?
Sure.
How much is most? I would say 2/4. No, 2/3. Where's the butter? How do I make the butter soft? You just breathe on it? I think you microwave it.
Butter, 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 butter.
Okay.
Butter softened. How much butter, Joel?
You have to follow the recipe.
Mix butter and your sugar. I'm melting it. Because I don't have time for this to soften.
A fourth of a cup. So 3/4. This is a third, so 2 of these. So 2 of these.
Going well so far.
So if you want to learn how to be a bad cook, I have cooking lessons right here for you. Cooking is fun. I think all the butter got stuck in the whisk.
Okay. 1 egg. I'm a pro at this, so in here? Yeah.
How many eggs does it say?
0 to 3. That's how it's done. Not more than 1 egg. That'll make it taste like eggs. Eggs.
So I'm gonna add 1 egg because I saw that Evelyn had 1 egg, so why not? So eggs are kind of separated from everything else, making it look like a big pile of not someone. It looks like someone who didn't know what they were doing made this.
Either 1 cup of milk or no milk. Well, I don't like to measure, so. Here we go. Oh, I don't think there is any milk. I don't.
You were definitely not supposed to add milk. I know that much.
Vanilla extract to make them taste like snickerdoodles. No, if they're not snickerdoodles, then I'm gonna sound really stupid. But I have my experience with baking. But I have my experience with baking.
Whoops. Flour, salt, and baking powder. Salt and flour I can go ahead and do.
You know you're supposed to put them all in order, right? It goes in the order that you use them.
Well, helpful
So that,
recipes
guys,
do.
so this means that these two aren't actually on there. Because he added them last. They're not in there. Okay, we'll start with this. I need an apron.
Cut. No. Come out of the cage. Okay. This is what it looks like to be successful in cooking.
I feel pretty confident. If I taste it and it tastes disgusting, then I know it's what do I think it is? What if this is like bread? No. Okay. Fridge. Putting it in the microwave for 15 minutes. There's no room in the microwave for 15
Microwave.
minutes. I mean the fridge. Oh. That's fine.
Okay, preheat oven. Bake. How do you go? Oh. Okay.
So this one or this one?
Oh.
That just turned it on, didn't it? Timer, duh. We're good.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just how much lemon juice do I need? 1.5 teaspoons.
This one? Oh, little cupcakes sound so fun. I mean cookies. Sorry, not cupcakes. I'll just go with this normal size.
Okay. Bake cupcakes. The little cupcake things.
Woo! It's 5.
Put on my gloves so we don't hurt myself. Ooh, fancy. Okay.
Okay, opening the oven. Hurry up, before the puppy burns herself.
Yeah, it's you.
Okay, timer. Start with 10 minutes. Let's use this one.
We're good. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely confused. Okay. This is gonna need another 15 minutes to cook. Why am I putting on my oven mitts again? Okay.
Well, time to take them out. So, just waiting for the timer. Well, we'll just go ahead. Oh boy, these bad boys are done. Maisie, stay away. Okay. Okay, well, they look pretty good. Let's check them. Oh, they're done. I give you cakeys.
Okay. I opened that just in time. Oh boy. Oh boys. Okay. Oh man. There we go.
All right.
I think they were supposed to be cupcakes, just not this much sugar on them.
All right. On to judging. All right. Now that we're done, what we were supposed to be making is orange cookies.
Woohoo!
I think one of the main things, actually first here's a picture of them. So I think a couple things, it didn't need any milk and it didn't need any baking soda either, or baking powder, whatever I added. But that was really interesting and I'm excited to try each of yours. Not orange cookies and the lemon lemon cupcakes. No.
I get this one.
Yeah.
Okay, you can try it.
Man, this is hard.
I don't really want one.
They're pretty good.
Thank you.
Andrew's cupcakes he made from a cookie recipe.
Oh. What?
Okay.
Oh.
All right. Well done, Andrew.
Wait, so just see you next time? Thanks for watching. Right, okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time on